Hello, Jay here. Right, time for your Phuket weekly weather report. Look. Now you might have guessed, I'm not in Phuket. No, I'm in Africa. And Toto were right. It does rain in Africa. And I'm still looking for 100 men or more. That's right. Anyway, if you want to know what the weather's doing for this week, and it's Christmas week. That's right, it's Christmas. Then we better talk to Sean, our very famous meteorologist. He's still in Phuket because he works hard, whereas I get to go on holiday in beautiful Africa. We're on safari. We just saw a lion having some rumpy pumpy boom boom time. In fact, here, editor, put the clip up. Not sure if we're allowed to do that or not. Anyway, Sean, what's the weather doing?
Hi there guys, Sean here from 5 Star Marine with your weekly weather update. If this is your first time watching our weather update, please note we're going to use 3 major tools. We're going to use windy, because here in Phuket, one of the major influences of weather is wind. The second we're going to use is the TMD radar. This is the live radar for Phuket. And the third we're going to use is AccuWeather, because it allows us to see a little bit further forward into the week. So right now you're looking at windy. Now again, if this is your first time, colors are what important here. Blue color means it's a nice and low wind, okay? So that means we would expect calm sea conditions, low chances of rain, and relatively blue skies. Green, we get to a more of a moderate wind. With a moderate wind, we might get a bit of a choppy sea, potentially a little bit more cloudy, and any rain that we would see over this way might push across. Now, at the moment, we're looking at Monday morning. Now, in high season, what we would normally see is a green wind in the morning, followed by a blue wind in the afternoon. That's the normal condition of high season. So this predicts a normal high season day for Monday, which is green wind in the morning, and then we look into the afternoon, and we have a blue wind. So that indicates to me that we're going to have a little bumpy ride out to PP in the morning, but a nice calm ride back in the afternoon. Also, if you look on the map, this is Phuket itself here. This is PP out here, and this is the Phang Nga Bay, Hong Karabi, Russia areas. So this blue wind basically saying everywhere that we want to go on Monday is a good day and it's fine to go. Looking at Tuesday, again, same model here, a little bit bumpy in the morning, followed by in the afternoon, it's calmed down. So I think Monday, Tuesday, we're looking at good days, probably blue skies, maybe a little bit of cloud, but not expecting any rain. Moving forward to Wednesday, it's a lower wind condition in the morning, okay? And a flat condition in the afternoon. Looking forward to Thursday, same model of Thursday, which was for Wednesday. Looking forward to Friday. Friday, we still have that wind condition there. And it's very interesting to know that in high season, the wind is going to come from this side of the screen, whereas in low season, it's going to come from this side. So we're going to have an east to west wind in high season, meaning any weather's pushing this side. So if those of you who have been watching online and been watching for floods in southern Thailand, you may think that it's hitting Phuket, but it's not. It's actually hitting out in the Koh Samui area, which is where all the rain hits this time of year. So while we have our dry season in Phuket, normally it's wet season in Samui. Moving forward to Saturday, again this green wind in the morning, again dropping off in the afternoon. Looking forward to Sunday, 1 week ahead, green wind in the morning and a green wind in the afternoon. Looking a little bit forward, it drops off a little bit on Sunday. So looking at Sunday, we may have a little rain this day or potentially a rain in the afternoon. So from Monday through Saturday, good weather, calm seas, good conditions, time to get out island hopping. Now, I'm going to jump on over to AccuWeather. Now, a lot of people ask me what is the most reliable app for getting up-to-date weather forecast here in Phuket. AccuWeather is the closest I can get to being reliable. It's not 100% reliable, but I would say half the time it's right. But the rest of the case for me is I'm using Windy just to see the wind, because the wind will tell me what's going to happen on the day. So looking forward with Accu, we can see it looks pretty good all the way through, and they do say maybe Sunday we'll have a bit of rain, which is what I said back here at Windy. So that's your AccuWeather looking quite good. And now we're going to go to our live radar, which is today. This live radar updates every 15 minutes, so it's showing us exactly what's happening right now. You can see we have a very good condition here in Phuket. There is some rain over here towards Trang, but that's not going to come to Phuket, so nothing to worry about. So that's the basic weather update for this week. If you have any questions about specific days, specific islands, or specific routes, you can drop a comment below and I'll reply to it personally. Otherwise, happy holidays. And Jay, we really don't like the fact that you're over there playing with lions and we're all here working. So have a great week and see you in the next weather update.